Hello everybody, today I had a dryer LG, it's squeezing a lot, it's my second visit and we will replace the rollers here. I will show you. Unfortunately I got only video of 2 of them, but I did replacement for 4 of them, 2 at the front and 2 at the back. And let's see how it looks inside. I just cleaned it before everything inside, so it's clean enough. But so that roller is stuck. I already changed first one and second one. Usually that thingy breaks, but sometimes it can fly like here. Okay guys, have a good day and see you in next videos.